Welcome in. We are going to unbox this RHD flywheel all the way from Australia today. It came and the packaging was actually in really good shape. There's a little ding here, but it feels like there's cardboard underneath it. I mean, it came halfway across the world to my neck of the woods in the United States, so I don't expect it to be perfect as long as it's not damaged, and it's a huge chunk of chromoly steel, so I assume that it will be okay. Let's just take a look here and just open it up. Oh, very nicely packaged. Okay, so far it's got, oh, don't look. Oh, look at that. Shiny, shiny, shiny beautifulness. So my little concern of the box being damaged is basically a non-issue. There's no damage there. But let's take a look at this shining beauty real quick. Ooh. So first of all, I'll just say the packaging was absolutely excellent, and it made it all the way across, halfway across the world with no problems. So let's just get in here with a knife and start cutting into it a little bit more. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's really, really shiny and nice, like you would expect all nice billet things to be. Ooh. See. Wow. That is one shiny disc. That's beautiful. That is really, really, really a nice piece. And these are quite a value, I would definitely say. For just under $300 US, you get this beautiful billet chromoly flywheel. And so the reason I chose this one is because it actually takes a 240 millimeter clutch. So the bigger clutch out of BMW M30 engines and M5 engines, so like the M88 and the S38. So this can hold quite a few more pound-feet of torque, Newton meters, whatever you want to call it in your part of the world. But it is designed for high horsepower applications, but yet still has a really good clutch feel because the surface area is a lot greater. You don't need a crazy aggressive clutch in comparison to a smaller diameter, smaller surface area clutch. You don't need a crazy sintered clutch to get very similar power holding capabilities. So my goal with this is to hold around 500 horsepower and around 500 foot-pounds of torque, somewhere in there. So this should do the job with a typical non-sintered disc. Thanks, RHD. You have impressed me in like 2 seconds. I'm sure it performs just as well as it looks, and it seems to be all one piece. From what I can tell, it looks like it's all just machined out of one solid block, and gosh, it looks really nice. So hope you guys enjoy. Check out RHD if you need some nice bit of gear. They do a good job.